Good enough. Jay'll fix it in editing.
Sorry.
Hello, little peoples in the compoopers. We're playing cart ride delivery service. Before we get started, make sure to, lick this video, and what should they do to the subscribe button?
They should touch it.
You make sure to touch that button.
Look out, some dude's trying to I was in your cart!
Now he's gonna die. Die, boy, die.
How do you use boost? I'm dumb.
You click the boost, or you hold control.
Shit!
Yeah, don't do it there, dude. Also, mine is more powerful because I've played this game before. And we also have to watch out for this motherfucker. Oh, right, I need to mute my phone and chuck it on my bed.
Haha.
Done. Remember,
I'm really
don't go
careful
too
with
fast,
these
but
type
don't
of
go
games.
too slow.
I'm really. Oh shit!
I got scared because of the bumps.
I'm gonna crash into you, dude. You better go first. Look out, the kid! Look out!
Why? Why? This man is... I'm gonna kill him. I can't leave that. Jay, please don't leave that in. I'm
You should leave that in
sorry.
there. You should leave it in there.
It's the gaming channel. He's going to. It's the gaming channel.
Leave it in there.
Remember, the gaming channel's uncensored. Well,
sorry.
unless we say something exceedingly bad. Then it's uncensored.
How bad? How bad?
Slurs.
Slurs?
Yep, slurs. You remember how he blurred out the thing that I did in, episode 5? Yeah, that thing. He blurred that.
I feel like I don't know if I remember what we're talking about anymore.
the symbol. The you-know-what symbol. Eric, look in the middle.
What the fuck?
Elevator.
I better speed up, even though it's not even gonna help anything.
Hello. Hello.
I'm gonna crash into you.
You physically can't.
I know. Don't worry, my Discord, my microphone's gonna pick that up.
Well, my desktop audio is gonna pick it up. Dumbass.
Oh, you have desktop audio on?
Yeah, that's what we were
I have my
do.
Roblox audio on.
Man.
What? That's what he said. That's what he said before. Caution thieves go fast. Hell no.
Move.
No.
You're gonna make me wait. There are thieves, and he's gonna come for your toes. Yeah.
I also actually have to go fast.
He's right behind you. He will steal your box.
I'm gonna run away.
Don't worry, he'll go off that ramp.
I made it.
The thief goes off the ramp.
I played this game before. Now I just remembered.
See? The thief goes off the ramp.
How do I get the boxes?
Here, let me...
Oh, E. I got it. Wait. No, I don't.
No, you have to do it
How do I
with
do
your
it?
cart.
Oh.
So, I'm gonna swap
It won't
that.
let me reverse anymore. I'm physically. Oh no, it's because I'm in the passenger seat. I'm stupid.
Fuck.
Hey, don't say that.
Fuck. Did you drop off the packages?
I dropped them off and I fell off in the process.
Get on the other side and we can go for the next.
Duel friends and don't get tilted.
That's a woman. Fuck you, woman.
Your game is my internet is going psycho.
Is it really?
Your microphone just like went psycho. How do I get down?
Don't die, brother.
Let's go. I'm saved myself.
Nice.
I used to try hard in like games like this for some reason.
Same.
Bump. Look at this bumps.
Yeah, watch out. There's bumps.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
Look out, there's a woman.
The lady's coming. Oh, she's got
She's
blown
gonna
away.
touch your toes. Wait,
She got blown away, dude.
did she get bombed? Oh, I think Eric got bombed. Eric, did you get bombarded? Yeah.
Yeah, I got bombed.
Surprisingly enough, I've never been bombed.
Okay, attempt 2.
This is my attempt
What?
too, so I don't know what you want about.
Wait,
Yeah.
yeah. The attempt 2 on this other level.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
I mean, this is still my second life after that dude killed me. No, my third life after that dude.
Third life, because you
Yeah.
got ran over by that dude and you fell off the...
And then I fucking chose to just meow. Ignore my voice crack.
I better like speed up because I'm probably gonna die from...
Why? You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna use my boost real quick.
Eric, look at me. Look at me. I go upside
Oh,
down.
no, stop!
And
Stop!
go meow.
Wait, if I stay on this side, will it hit me? Yeah, it will.
Yeah.
No, stop! You're gonna hit me! No! Oh, I missed. I made it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
You good?
I made it.
You
You missed.
You didn't make it yet, Eric. There's still a chance that it's gonna. Okay, back up. And drop off your boxes.
I'm gonna run you over. I guess we're in the... Okay,
Here, you wanna go first, or you want me to go first?
sure. I'm gonna die. Oh no, not this. I'm gonna run into these guys on purpose now.
Do it.
Watch me.
Wait, don't do it.
So I have to go at the same pace as these cars from what I remember.
For the most part.
That's just...
Because they won't stop
makes
for
my life...
you, and you should stop for them. I just witnessed one commit death. I'm pretty sure this is the level that's like
Let's go.
the track is gone. Fuck.
Oh no! I hate this game. I hate this game. Whoop. What if I just drive past now?
Don't.
Bye.
Fuck you.
Am I gonna get chased?
No.
No.
I mean, yeah, technically. Because I'm right on your ass. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
What the hell? Look at that car's wheels.
Come here.
Better go. Speed bump. Speed bump.
Jay, put death counters.
I drove too fast.
Jay, put death counters.
Where's my mouse? What the?
Jay, put mine in the top right and put
Okay,
Eric's
this
in the
lady's
top
just waiting
left.
for me to go first. Or is she trying to steal my cart?
Both. Fuck.
Just take it. I don't care. Take the cart.
Yeah, your cart's not good. Mine is.
She's trying to steal my cart, and I hope she dies.
Your cart is base. Mine is not.
No! Wait. Never mind. You didn't hit. I'm gonna...
Do it. Nope. No, you. No,
I had
mine.
to.
Mine.
I'm out of here.
Your farts smell nice.
What? Oh god, I'm behind the same car again. No! I was trying to spawn it when you. I should stop laughing. That's gonna happen to me next. I just know it. Oh, I'm about to touch this car. Oh shoot.
Ayo.
I almost touched it.
Eric,
Oh, there's 2 cars ahead of you? What the heck? I am not. I'm not a PDF file.
No, it's called a mechanophile. It has its own term.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh.
Motherfucker, dude.
Oh, green light! Ah! I swear to God, if it turns red, I'm a crash out. Don't do it. Okay. I swear if it turns red, no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay.
Don't go too fast up that. That's how I died last time.
You sped?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh shoot. Wait, how do I avoid this?
See how I did that? I was so close to death just
Wait, how do I do this? I just... Oh well. Wait. What the... What? It says speed bumps. I'm taking it slow.
Smart man.
My headset actually is about to slide off my head.
Beep beep.
Don't you dare. I see you. I'm gonna pick up the pace a little bit.
I'm not gonna hit you, don't worry.
Use your boost here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let you go.
No! No!
Fuck.
Oh, I'm coming back. Uh-oh.
I'm backing my ass up.
Oh no, I'm not gonna make it.
You gotta get back down here.
I have to go back.
Yeah, get back down here.
Don't mind me.
Eric.
What is it?
Orange, you glad I didn't say apple again?
Yeah, that...
Oh, okay, let's go.
Wait, should I upgrade my capacity, boost, or speed?
Oh, we can upgrade those?
Yeah.
How?
Go to the press shop. I always recommend do your braking first.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the braking.
But should I do speed, boost, or packages?
I'm gonna do my braking first, but it's up to you
Yeah,
for what you want to do.
Make sure to max out braking before working on anything else.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do speed.
Blast off the really fun part. I'm not a butthole.
Go. Move. What the fuck? How?
You've touched me.
I'm sorry. Fine.
Okay, attempt number 2. I'm gonna find a keybind for this now, just because you did that.
Oh God.
Yeah,
No.
I'll put it on overlap 2.
No.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
play when you least expect it.
please. I'm sorry, please.
oh, so you have to actually wait
Yeah.
before it slowly... Oh, I see, there's a barrier, so if I run into it, I die.
It's a
I'm closer.
difficult one to do the.
Right here. Get ready. Oh shoot, I'm cooked.
Shoot.
I'm cooked.
I accidentally came on right behind you.
Break time, break time, break time.
Yeah,
Oh,
not
no.
too hard.
Ah,
Oh,
shit. I breaked at the worst time.
You did! And killed us both, man. How could you? I thought we were bros, dude. Sorry, I'm gonna fart in your face, dude. I'm gonna fart in your face. My bad.
Apple.
Okay, I'm just gonna let my car go the rest of the speed, because apparently if I break, I'm cooked.
Don't do that.
I don't know, I'm gonna break when I get down to the,
Fuck.
to this
thieves.
part. Once I'm okay.
There's more thieves, dude.
Go, go, go!
Shit.
Oh yeah.
I died.
Let's go. Uh-oh. More thieves? Oh shit. I better let my boost go up. Get farted on, doofy boy.
That's the meanest insult, dude. How could you? That's so
You are
mean.
not invited to my birthday party.
No! Do you even have
I'm
a birthday
speeding
party?
right now. I'm speeding.
Eric, did you speak with your family about my birthday yet or not?
No.
You should.
I made it.
I gave you 2 possible days for the party. You just haven't said anything yet?
I just haven't.
You mean.
I'm gonna start screaming to my mic. Oh shit, it's the hammers.
Oh, you're
Uh-huh.
Wait, which one's that? That's the drop.
Oh
These
no, I should have
motherfuckers.
sped up. I'm dumb.
What the hell? How?
What the-
How?
Okay, time to attempt a hard route because I'm bored and I need
fun.
to entertain the viewers.
You do need to entertain the viewers. Yeah, good luck with that.
Thanks, I'll take
Yeah,
that.
notice how there's no wood and there's no fucking sides. Yeah. What did I say? You were gonna die immediately. And what did you do? You died immediately.
Yeah, I should take the long one instead.
Here, I'll switch it to the long route for you.
Watch me get demolished by hammers.
There, it's on the long route for you.